Hello, this is Enchanted Life Pat TV. I've just been sent a video over from one of our followers over on the Facebook page, Maria, right? Now this is in Liverpool, over Wavertree. See the blue light in the sky? What is it? Watch. What's that? Play it again. Without me zooming it in. This is just in real, just as it's been recorded. No, how strange is that? There's more videos as well. Anyone know what this is? Anyone in the Liverpool area know what this is? Have we got a light show out in the sky? The laser show? Does anyone else see it? Or is it just blatantly in the middle of the sky? Is it a portal? Let me zoom in again for you. I find that highly strange. Right, there's the zoom in, the natural one. And there's me zooming in on it now. Weird. There seems to be any light coming, shining up. Look from below it, or the angle, in say this direction. If you come down on it from this direction, the way that you think where it'd be lit up from, but no, this is what's in the skies of Liverpool tonight. How strange is that? One more look. Blue beam. Anyone wants to go and run a little YouTube search on what that is? Project Blue Beam. Got a big blue beam in the sky as well. So I've just been sent that. And again, I'd like to say thank you for the video coming over. In the Wavertree area last time. And also, what you've got to remember here is the person who's viewing this with their eyes. Cameras don't pick up things as good as your eyes. They always make them look further away and whatever. So the person who's recorded this, she will have had a better view than what even the camera's picking up, obviously. It'll look more clear. And the fact that she's put "what the fuck" on it shows you that she can see it clearly. Look at the way the sky's like sort of. It's up, so keep your eyes peeled in the skies tonight in Liverpool. I don't know what's going on. Unbelievable. Thanks for watching and speak soon. Now, you're not going to believe what I'm going to show you here, right? But have a look. Japan earthquake lights. Scary lights seen over Mexico during 8.2 earthquake. September, I think it was last year. Right? Mysterious earthquake lights Mexico 2017 compilations. We'll start off with the Japan one.
To scale.
Now watch.
It hit in the middle of the night and along the same fault line as last month's huge upheaval. In the distance among the swaying buildings, a bright glow in the night sky, possibly what scientists call an earthquake light.
An earthquake light.
In some places, the lights went out momentarily.
So what my point is, there's been blue lights seen in the sky before and during huge earthquakes. So what was that, unless we get a little explanation from the Liverpool Echo or something as to what that's just been in the sky? Is there a light show going on or something like I've just said? We need an explanation on that now, because let's just go back the page again and show you all these little examples. Strange green lights after Mexico earthquake. Earthquake lights, not lightning. 14 seconds, this one. So, what's going on? Let me show you the Mexico one.
Allá, mira. ¿Estás viendo eso? Allá, ve el cielo.
Hear all the dogs barking. Hear all the dogs going absolutely mental. And then after this came an earthquake. I can hear dogs going mad all over the place there. I'm not sure whether you're picking up on it. So, don't want to think of no mass hysteria or nothing, but what's just been in the skies of Liverpool? Earthquake, make lightning, strange lights in sky before quake.
Allá, mira. ¿Estás viendo eso? Allá, ve el cielo. Ah, claro, es la...
Go back to the Japan one.
引き続き避難を続けてください。地震が発生した時の仙台
4th
市
of the
の様
7th,
子です。
2011.
大きく揺れています。縦に大きく揺れています。地震が発生した時の JR 仙台駅前の様子です。
See, there wouldn't even be many people even in the city who'd even be able to make the link. It's just by watching stuff and learning other things and going and gathering other information for years that I've just been able to go, hang on a minute, that was a little bit like these blue lights that have been seen by Mexico earthquakes and what have you. People wouldn't even know what the Mexico earthquake was that I'm talking about. So that's why it's better just to make sure that you're always aware of your environments. Because as I said, now we need to go digging now and find out what this blue light is in the sky. And I'd like to thank Maria for sending that over, supporting the page, supporting the channel, and supporting the cause, the whole platform, Enchanted Life Pat TV. That was a good video, that. I like that one. So, yeah, answers on a postcard. What do you think? Speak soon.